Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through a day, actually a weekend of triathlon training. If you have watched my previous vlogs, I did not know how to ride a bike. I didn't ride a bike for over a decade, and I decided I was going to get back into it, and then I pretty quickly decided I want to do a triathlon. I love fitness, running, endurance, but I truly don't know how to ride a bike. And so I bought a road bike. I've been learning how to do it. Haven't clipped in yet, but that is coming. I'm going to do some more riding this weekend, and I'm also going to start swimming. So I got a package and I'm gonna try it out tonight in my swim session. I ordered from Roka and got a bathing suit, also a swim cap and goggles. So I'm all set for swim equipment as of now. I didn't realize how much shopping doing a triathlon was going to be, but my plan for today, after I finish up some work things, I have to answer some inquiries via email, finish up some check-ins with the Reflux Relief Group program. I actually just gave a talk for a Reflux Summit that's happening in February. It's a virtual summit, so that took a few hours, and I'm gonna crank out some work, get a bike ride in, and then I'm gonna meet Nick at the pool and we're gonna do a swim session. So my first swim session of training, we'll see how it goes. I hate that I still kind of get this like nervous feeling before I go out on the bike. I'm just like not 100% comfortable on the road bike. It really is a different feeling. If you've never ridden a road bike, it feels kind of unstable, but slowly getting the hang of it. When I see people riding without their hands, I'm just blown away. That's still something I cannot do. So I'm gonna practice that today. I think I'm gonna go for about an hour ride, like 9 to 10 miles, really leisurely, because I'm pretty tired from the week. Today is Friday, and then I'm gonna be meeting Nick at Equinox for the pool. My ride got cut a little bit short. There was this big music festival happening, but that's all right. I'm gonna change, grab a drink, and head to the pool. Let's see if I remember how to swim.
What?
It wasn't a hard cardiovascularly. I just feel like I'm doing it wrong. I'm not very efficient. I haven't figured out how to breathe. And like put my hand in their water, come up and breathe. So I think that's gonna be the tricky part. Okay, that was my longest ride ever. Went much better than swimming did last night. Swimming was extremely humbling. It was really a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I think it's just so many things to think about all at once, like how to breathe, how to stroke, how to kick, keep your hips up. And as you can see in the videos, I do not have the coordination for all those things yet, but I think I just have to accept like it's not gonna be something that comes easily to me or naturally to me. So just more time in the pool. And I'm thinking I'm gonna start with the sprint triathlon in Napa in April, and that'll give me enough time to train for that and really get the technique down for swimming. And then I will do a Olympic or like a half Ironman, because the running is no problem. Like the endurance is really no problem. It's just like the technique of the swim and the bike. When I was out biking today and I saw those little kids learning how to ride the bike, I was just like, those are my people. I feel you. It's scary, but today I got a lot better at being able to let go of my hands while I was riding and just kind of balancing with my core and balancing with my hips, so that was better. I think my plan is to just keep riding like 30 to 60 minutes a day and get in the pool like at least once, do some swim classes, and just try to be compassionate with myself. Like, it's just not something that comes naturally to me. Okay, so I'm gonna change, run to the gym and do some accessory work, some strength training, some stretching. This is really what helps me be able to keep doing endurance work, whether it's running or rowing or cycling. Like, I really have to do the strength piece because otherwise my body just kind of falls apart. So we'll get this over with. About 7:45, we're getting ready for about a 20-mile ride, and it's gonna be a beautiful day, so I'm excited to take you along with me. This is my absolute favorite ride down through Ocean Beach. And then actually today I'm getting a DEXA scan, and this is my third DEXA scan. What it looks at is your muscle mass, your change in muscle mass, body fat percentage. So kind of worked out for this video that I could take you along with me and kind of show you how my body composition has changed with the training. So I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then we will get our ride over with.
So you just got your DEXA today. You got one a year ago.
And I've been getting them every 6 months for the last year and a half, so I have some data. What a DEXA is basically a machine that uses 2 X-ray beams, and it looks at different bone levels, fat tissue, lean mass. It can track your percentage in lean mass and fat tissue over time. So it's a really great way to see progress in the gym, especially if you're athletic and you're gaining weight, but you could actually be gaining muscle. So it's really helpful for me to see. Okay, so the last time I got a DEXA was April 7th, and my body fat percentage went down about 4%. Total mass, so like my weight went down about 5 pounds. And it says that all of that is fat tissue. I lost about like 5 pounds of fat tissue. Lean tissue would have stayed the same, but the last time I got a DEXA, I gained 4 pounds of lean tissue. So I'm just happy my lean tissue has kind of stayed the same with that fat loss and with all the increase in cardio. My bone mineral density has actually gone up. This is my first DEXA. And it says we have pretty good bone density, so I'm happy about that. My resting metabolic rate, so like the minimum number of calories my body burns a day, has also pretty much stayed the same. It's interesting because the place that I did lose some lean tissue, some muscle, was my legs. And I think that's because I honestly haven't been pushing it that hard in squats, in like lower body strength recently, because my lower body is really tired from the bike. But overall, pretty happy with these results. I usually have like every 6-month cadence, so I think I'll probably keep that going. Right now I'm having some eggs, cotija cheese, cabbage. Did I say that right? Sorry.
Cojita
Cheese, cabbage, peanut sauce. We went to Chinese food after the DEXA, so I haven't eaten any vegetables today, so getting in my veggies. And then we're gonna end the day with a ice bath. It's like 90 degrees in San Francisco, which it almost never is. So I think the ice bath is gonna feel pretty good. Oh, it's actually not too bad. Okay. Oh, thank you for watching. Make sure that you like this video. Every like will give me the strength to learn how to swim. If you have any tips on learning how to swim, I would appreciate them in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.